In this video, I will tell you about all the fees we have when trading futures on the platform Bitunix. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitunix, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use one of these options, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you can immediately go up here to the welcome bonuses. Right after the sign up, you can pick up right here your first bonus. Then after you've deposited and made your first trade, again 2 new bonuses. Also, you can open a mystery box right here. The more you then trade over time, the higher of a bonus you can get right here. And down below at the bottom, you can also see, depending on how much you deposit over time, you can get an additional bonus which gets up to $5,000. So first of all, when you're in your trading dashboard, you will see your fees down here, and we can see we have 2 different fees. First, we have the maker fee of 0.02%. This fee always applies when using a limit order, and we have the so-called taker fee of 0.06%, which always applies when we are using a market order. Those fees always occur when opening and closing a position and are calculated on the position size. If you hover your mouse over the fees right here and click on details, you will see that they also have different VIP tiers. So the more you trade over time and the higher your USDT balance on your account is right here, the lower your futures fees will get. As you can see, the 0.02 and 0.06% are only the starter. But for example, when you already have more than $10,000 in your account, your fees are already much lower. So that way your fees can also decrease over time quite a lot. Here's also a fee comparison with other exchanges. As you can see, Bitunix is with those starter fees pretty much right in the middle. So those fees right here are pretty much an average of all the different crypto exchanges. And as you can see, there's not really a big difference between those different exchanges. To give you an example calculation, if you open a $10,000 position size, you would need to pay $2 of a fee for a maker order and $6 if you're using a market order. So even with the highest tier, those fees are pretty low. If you think about how much the Bitcoin price can move up or down a few percent each day, those fees really don't matter that much. Lastly, we also have another fee that is called funding fee. You will see up here a rate and a timer. This fee only applies when the timer reaches exactly 0 and is reset every 8 hours. And what is happening, depending on the rate right here, you will be charged this small amount or actually also credited that amount, depending on if you're long or short, only when exactly the timer right here reaches 0. If the rate up here is positive, that means on your entire position size, when you have it opened at the end, you would need to pay the 0.006%, which is incredibly low, of course. And if you have a short position, you would actually be credited that amount onto your profit. If the opposite applies, so if this is a negative value up here, then you would need to pay it as a short position and you would get it credited as a long position. So that is pretty much how the funding rate works, and those are all the fees on the platform. Don't forget to pick up your special sign-up bonus with up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses by simply using the first link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.